Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a signature line in Google Docs. Now, in order for us to proceed, I have here a sample letter, and let's just go ahead and add a little signature line here. You can definitely do that by clicking the insert here, drawing, and then new. And then from here, you can go ahead and choose the line here. So you can click this one, and then you can go ahead and basically just bring one here, or yeah, something like that. Let's go ahead and try to make this better. All right, there you go. Now, once you're done with that one, you can basically go ahead and click this one here and adjust the line point here, or how thick you want it to be, just like so. And then this is a 3, and then this is 1. So let's go ahead and choose to click save and close, and there is the line. Now you can go ahead and click that one over there, and let's go ahead and put this in front of the text. That way we are able to move it. So let's go ahead and try to move this one here, and let's see if it is good. Otherwise, we can go ahead and click it once again, and let's go ahead and move this bit. We can also go ahead and shorten this one. All right, there you go. And then again, you can go ahead and edit this one in order for you to adjust how thick you'd like it to be. So I'm going to go ahead and choose 1 for now. Click save and close, and yep, there you go. So adjust again until you are satisfied. And there you go, everybody. So you have successfully added a signature line here in your Google document.